Oh, good. It looks like you're ready to be done racing up and down giant stairs for no reason. I'm injured, Someone could have offered to give me a piggyback ride. All right. Today's lesson: multi-digit subtraction. What does that mean? Big number subtraction. We're going to be subtracting with digits up into the 10,000s today. And just like yesterday, I'm going to walk you through a strategy for using the place value chart to make sense of subtraction. Students, if they're going to make mistakes with addition or subtraction, it is always in subtraction. Most of the time in subtraction. And it is when one of these numbers in the top digit is smaller than one of the digits in the bottom and the one that's being taken away. And so we're going to talk about what that looks like, what the numbers are doing using our place value chart. And in order to do that, we're going to record just our top number, because this is how much we want to take away from our top number. So we just want to put our top number here in this top slot. 23,422 has 2 ones, 2 tens, 4 hundreds, 3 thousands, and 2 10,000s. And from that, we want to take away 0 ones, 1 10, 5 hundreds, 1,000, and 1 10,000. Let's see if we can do that. In the zero, or in the ones here, we don't have to mark off anything because we're taking away 0. And 2 minus 0, 2 take away 0 is just 2. In this next one here, in our tens, it's also fairly easy. We have 2 of them. We're going to take away 1. How many do we have left? We have 1, just the same as we would here. But a lot of students, if they're not paying attention when they get here, they'll give the answer of 1. But we can't get the answer 1 here. We have 4 things, and we have to take away 5. We're subtracting 5 away from that. So it's not the same as 5 minus 4, which would give us 1. It is a problem where we have to borrow from another column. So just the way we were taking 10 hundreds and moving it over to make 1,000, now we're going to take 1,000 and move it over to make 10 hundreds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now this 1,000 is gone because we've broken it apart. We broke it into pieces and we moved it into the hundreds. Broke it into those hundreds, and now we have enough that we can take away 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. How many hundreds do we have left now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 hundreds left, and that also impacted our thousands here. It changed it. So here's what we did on our traditional method. We borrowed from this 3 from the thousands place and turned it into 2. You see how we only have 2 thousands left? And we brought 10 hundreds over and turned this into 14. And from that 14, we took away our 5. 14 minus 5 is 9. Be really careful about this. Use your place value chart for a couple of these problems. Don't get tricked and assume that 5 minus 4 is the same. It's not. We need to break those pieces apart and borrow. 2 thousands minus 1,000, take away 1. We're going to get 1 left. I'll mark out that 1. And the same thing with our 10,000s. We're going to mark out 1, and now we have 1 left. Same thing over here. 2 minus 1 was 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. 11,912. Now we get the same answer. So a lot of times I have fourth graders ask me, well, then why do I have to use the place value chart? When you use the place value chart, while we're practicing the basics again here, you're less likely to make a mistake. If you start crossing off these hundreds, 1, 2, 3, 4, oh, wait, I don't have another one to cross off. You'll think about, oh, that's right, there's a strategy that I need to use here. As you're working through your next couple of problems, watch and rewatch this video if you need to use this place value chart to be successful using subtraction where you have to regroup. If nobody's wanting to give me that piggyback ride, I'm going to need to take a short nap before we continue walking through this weird tower. Do I trust you to guard me? I guess you did okay last time. Sorry to work on this. I'm going to go lay down. Until then, stay mathematical.